Like me, man. I love the game. I love the hustle, man. Be feeling like one of the ball playing, you know, Bird, Magic or something. Yeah, you know what the brick though. Believe. What if I leave? The fans still gonna love me, man.
Driver just dropped off some new packages, so we should probably go open them up. And boom, my new drag setup is here. We got the Mickey Thompson tires here, we got the Weld Performance wheels here, but unfortunately we cannot install them just yet. Look at these wheels. Oh my god, look how beautiful they are. Wow, wow, wow. It says Weld right here. Wow. So here it's gloss black, the rest is, I believe, bare aluminum. And then it's black here, not that it matters. And then the inside is black as well. I like that the inside is black. Wow, look at that. So the reason we can't install the welds is because we gotta go install something on the car before we are able to fit those 18-inch wheels. So here we got the GT500 vertical links. Let's open the box up. Here we got the bolts that we need to install them, and then we got the vertical links right here. They're quite heavy, I'm not gonna lie. So basically, in order to install those Weld Racing wheels on the GT500, I gotta install those vertical links, where with the Hellcat, you could install as small as a 17-inch wheel and you don't have to change anything. So it's a bit of a headache to get these welds on the car, but we're still gonna get it done. We finally made it to TJ's. We're gonna get the GT500 in there to get started. Here's the name of his shop. That's the phone number. I'm also gonna put his Instagram somewhere up here if you need exhaust work, whatever you need. They do it all here. Make sure to hit him up. He is one of the best. And now let's open up the package. Boom. Here are the vertical links. Look at that. Good brand. So this is what they look like, and then here are the bolts for them. So they're so tiny, yet they cost $400. They're literally binoculars. Look at that. Do you guys see me? I see y'all. All right, I'm not playing around. Let's get these installed. I glued the wheels on. You didn't know that? Oh! I'm not paying for that, TJ. Opa. So here are both of the vertical links next to each other. This is the aftermarket one, and then this is the stock one. And the difference between these two are the bushings. These are rubber bushings, and then these are aluminum bushings. Obviously, these are a lot stronger, which is why we are upgrading to these. So now that we've taken these out, let's install these ones. So the GT500 is coming down, and here we got the stock vertical links. We're gonna take these home with us. And now we're gonna go home, pick up the wheels and the tires, and then go to the tire shop. And look how crazy this is. A half a tank only gives me 55 miles, which means a full tank gives me 110 miles. Wow. That's horrible. I'm low-key hating on this Prius. I know he averages 95 miles per gallon. So we got everything here. We got Matthew. Well, not Matthew. That's Matthew's car. Matthew's here. That's his car. Anyways, there's so much stuff that instead of trying to put some in here and some in there, I'm just gonna take it, and what are we gonna do with it?
Put them in the Blazer.
Put them in the Blazer. I also just learned that those vertical links I just installed help with putting the power down a lot quicker and also eliminating the wheel hop. So basically, it wasn't a waste of money. So we just made it to the shop. Matt blocked the entire entrance. He's fixing that. But anyways, we made it to the shop, and it started raining again. It's not as bad as it was earlier, but it actually stopped for a little bit, and then it rained again. And well, I don't know. We're gonna throw them on because I have to throw them on today, just because it's part of today's video, and we're not gonna let stop us from getting that shit on. We're probably not gonna take the highway back just because it'll be very sketchy, so we'll take like main roads back, but I just can't wait until they're installed. They're gonna look so good. All right, taking these off. That's one. The other one's in there. Why aren't you rolling the window down?
I was texting, I'm a little busy.
So we put one of the wheels on just to do a test fitment, and it fits good, but look how close that is. Like, it literally barely fits an 18-inch wheel. What'd you say?
Rotate it a little to show them.
I did. It's good, it fits, but it's just like super close. There's literally like no room.
I don't know how none of this stuff works, so you can't ask me for my opinion at all.
Let me show you guys something. So this comes with the wheel, and it's literally a hairnet. Like, I could shower with it.
You look good. You about to go cook?
Nah, I'm about to shower with it.
Nah, man, wear it as like a cooking net or something like that, so your hair doesn't get in the food.
Something Gunna would wear.
Hey, tag Gunna in the comments.
I want to show you guys this Hellcat before we leave. This thing is on 26s, and we got the Forgiatos right here. Let's see if it spins. Boom! That's how you know if it's a real Forgiato or a fake one. The fake ones don't spin, the real one spins. Look at the back. I love the rose gold lip. Look at that. That's just pretty good. I'm not into wheels, but these look beautiful. What do you think, Matthias?
Not my style.
Not your style? Not my style either, but you cannot but appreciate this. I mean, I think it looks good. It's not for me, but it's for somebody.
Sweet. I just don't like it. It's not my style.
Yeah, it's not my style, but I think it looks good. Look at the fitment. Oh my God. These are some beautiful wheels. It's very tight, but look how good it looks. So let's get this thing out of here, and I'm gonna show you guys how it looks out here where we got more light. Alrighty, boys. Oh my God, look how good it looks. This thing looks fast. Faster than what it actually is. It looks like it has 1500 wheel. Look at that. Oh my God, what do you guys think? Wow, wow, wow. I love it. So they're on there. The car needs a car wash because we went through like a couple of rainstorms. So we're gonna go home, wash them, but just look at this angle. It looks so good. Let me know what you guys think. I'm gonna take this thing home, wash it, and then later on tonight, we're gonna take this thing out and do a bunch of pulls and test the car and see how these tires work. I hope to God they work. I hope we get traction and we could run some decent 60 to 130 times. So I'll see you guys in about 4 hours. Peace. Alrighty, boys, it is midnight. We got the car out here. We're cooling it down. I also gave it a wash, so it's a lot cleaner than earlier because we went through like 2 different rainstorms. Well, not rainstorms, but you guys get what I'm saying. All right, but look at these wheels. I love these wheels. I was thinking about painting them gloss black to match the front wheels, but I think I might keep them like this. And what do you guys think about the fitment, man? This thing goes crazy. Imagine if I had matching skinnies on the front. So same wheels, but skinnies on the front. Let me know what you guys think of that. And now let's get some corn. This thing, oh my God, it's literally spilling all over the car. I'm not even holding this thing and it's spilling. But that's why you always gotta carry a rag if you're a car guy. We gotta wipe this down. All right, we're all good. And $44 is all it took to fill this bad boy up. And we also got Matthias joining us.
Back again.
What's up, my boy? You ready for this?
I told him no cameras.
Oh, no. Well, that's not happening tonight. Yeah, we're just gonna test on our own.
Okay.
So I was supposed to gauge my car with another fast car, but guy bailed out last minute, so we gotta do that tomorrow. So all I'm doing today is pretty much testing my car on my own.